So I wanted to do a quick update for you guys on the speakers. Some people were talking trash saying that the speaker system that I installed on the YouTube channel didn't sound much better than stock. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna address the dash speakers. I installed some Infinity dash speakers a few months back, and after I installed them, I noticed I was getting distortion. I should have installed the base capacitors. I went ahead and shot video of me soldering them. So in today's video, I'll go ahead and show you guys that process, and then we'll go inside the car and listen to the speakers, because there's no more distortion even at max bass, at max volume. It sounds awesome. So if you guys do the dash speakers, make sure you guys take the time to either crimp the bass capacitor onto the wire or solder it on like I did. Let's get into it. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna separate the speaker wires, and you're gonna attach the bass capacitor to the positive wire. So we're gonna cut that. And if you guys are wondering what speaker wire lead is positive, it's the one that comes off the large speaker wire terminal tab on this side. This little side is negative, so it's the wire coming off of here. So what we're going to do is strip about a 1/2 inch of speaker wire, guys, off each side. That's going to give us enough play to slip it around the base capacitor wire leads. You're going to want to go ahead and grab some heat shrink wrap and place it on each wire lead. That way, after the soldering is done, you can keep it all covered and protected. I'm just taking my wire leads and twisting them around the capacitor, and it is time to start soldering here. I'm using my needle nose pliers as a way to hold the wire to the capacitor lead, as well as kind of a heat sink to protect that heat shrink wrap. So let's go ahead and get this other side finished up, and then this side is done. If you guys are finding this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Now remember, guys, if you don't want to do the soldering like I did, you can also just use butt connectors and just crimp them on. That's just another alternative. I wanted more of a professional look, so I went ahead and did it this way. If you guys don't have any of the soldering equipment or the electrical equipment that I used in this video, I will put links in the description down below to get you everything you need to get the job done. So I'd like to congratulate Brad Helm. Bradley, you won this parent license plate cover. Thank you so much for leaving me a comment and the channel support. I'm also going to go ahead and send you this artwork that I had printed for my R32 GTR. So I'll throw that in the package with you. And this has been in my garage for the last 2 years, so you'll have a little bit of JDM right-hand drive at home with you. So thanks again for your support, Brad. So in the big parent box, I actually have a second license plate cover. So I'm going to go ahead and give that to Marcus Clark. He was another one that commented down below, so thank you very much, Marcus, for the channel support. And I'm going to be sending you this bad boy right there. You'll have a little bit of JDM right-hand drive if you want to hang that up somewhere. So Marcus and Brad, congratulations on winning the license plate covers. It's kind of just a little token of my appreciation to all you guys that watch the channel. And I think I'll do more giveaways like this on little stuff in the future, and I'm thinking about maybe printing just a whole little batch of these just so I have them on hand. If you guys would like for me to throw these in some giveaways, leave me some comments down below and I'll go ahead and print those up. Let's get back to the video. But I went ahead and took the covers off each side here. That way I can show you guys at max volume. There's no distortion. I've got my bass all the way at 9. I've got my mids at 3 and my treble at -3. So there's no distortion at all, even with the bass at +9. After I installed them, even with the bass at like 0 to -2, I was getting like cracking and popping at volumes of level 30. And so what I would have to do without having the bass blocker capacitor in is I would have to fade the front speakers kind of back to take some of the sound away from the front dash speakers. But the way that the system works, it also would take away sound from the front 6x9s. And so it just made the sound system sound like crap. So I installed these a while ago. I just haven't had time to finish it. So I wanted to get out here and address it with you guys and kind of give you an update on the channel. As far as my audio setting, guys, I have dynamic beat enhancer off, I have virtual bass enhancer off, sound restore off, so everything is basically in stock parameters, so you're not overdriving the speakers and causing distortion. Beyond that, this is just everything flattened out. So I hope you guys like this quick update. Like I said, make sure if you did the upgraded dash speakers like I did, you got to install the bass blocker capacitor. Otherwise, you have to run the other speakers with the bass all the way down not to get distortions in the front, which makes the rest of the sound system sound like crap. So if you guys got something good out of this video, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. And consider subscribing. We are almost to 10K, which is a big goal of mine for the channel. And we're about 750 subscribers away. We did 1,100 new ones last month and 1,000 new subscribers, or 800 the month before. So it's pretty awesome. Let's keep the momentum going. I've got tons of WRX content coming. If you guys like R32 GTRs as well, I've got my R32 GTR over there. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm in the office wrapping up this video, guys, and I just wanted to thank all you guys that gave me a hashtag to the end for the last video. You guys know who you are, and I wanted to take a second to say all your guys' names. So big thanks and a shout out to Inline Ice, Biocosmic Stardust, McKeno, Stuart Luth, or Luthi, if I say your name wrong, I'm sorry guys, and Jim McCoy. So YouTube's kind of one of those weird things. It just doesn't go off thumbs up, it doesn't just go off views, it doesn't go off comments, it goes off audience engagement and time retention. So you guys that watch the entire video to the end, thank you so much. It really helps out the channel. I think it's pretty cool. I'm just a I'm just a normal car guy like you guys with a camera who likes to share my passions with other people, and it means a lot to me that you guys enjoy watching my videos. So I just want to say thank you to all you guys. This was kind of one of those long weird videos that I shot the soldering a few months back. I kind of started editing the video last week, and then I got sick because my daughter got me sick. So I've been getting over that for the last 5-6 days, and I haven't really felt like editing or doing anything. So yeah, this is all done. So now I can get out in the garage and install that big parent box that you guys have been waiting to see since last week. And yeah, I'll have that done today. And that video for you guys who were expecting it excuse me, last Friday. The reason I didn't get it done, like I said, I was sick, and Perrin wanted me to wait a little bit to release the video because they're not quite ready to launch the product. So my video will probably be out about a week before the official product launch, to at least help gain excitement and give you guys kind of a behind the scenes peek and a little bit of insight into what Perrin's up to. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. All you guys, hashtag to the end. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.